Vicky here with you, and today we're making some altered playing cards. I want to make a set of 5, and I will probably scan these to make into card toppers, but I also want to sell the original set. And with this, you saw me make these, but I made some little birds, and that's what I'm using for making this. So I also pulled out my sentiments from Tim Holtz, and I thought those could be fun to add on there. So let's get this show on the road, shall we? So I've been making a lot of videos and a lot of art today, so hopefully this means that this week you're gonna get to see a lot of videos from me. Try to split my time, because obviously building my business, and I love to sell vintage items, but then I need to clean them, wash them, measure them, take pictures of them, and put them on my Etsy store. And so spending time doing that, as well as doing art, as well as doing my full-time job, and weekends just go by way too quickly, I find. I mentioned already, thing is, I've done the videos back to back to back, so I know I've already spoken to you about the fact that I've worked on my garden during the yesterday, and just enjoying the outdoors. I wasn't gonna plant as many things this year, but once I get going, I just can't resist going. When I go to a gardening store, it's just so hard for me to resist getting things. Experimenting with celery this year. I don't know if it's gonna work. It would be very cool if it did. So edging all of these in black first, just because I think it gives them a better look. And yeah, I made these birdies so that I could make something for the newsletter that I'm sending out. Not quite sure how I will have used them yet. I'm not sure at all how this is all gonna be used up, but I was happy to get something done and digitalized. I like that you can never have too much happy. If I was to put that, then maybe I could put it like on the side here. And I think I'm gonna use some Sucon tape to make sure that the sentiment sticks, because sometimes I find that on my mixed media paper like that, the sentiments fall off. And obviously I'm selling these, so I don't want anything to happen to them. I like that a lot. Good extra glue there. This little bird was all shimmery because I used actually used some ink instead of typical watercolor. And I use the fill, I forget what the brand is, but it's iridescent. Isn't it pretty? I like these. I like them. And I've got this tall little guy. It was great fun just imagining and creating these little characters. Okay, so we're be original. I feel like it fits with them. Still have some of my glue here. Go. Isn't he quirky? I love him. Oh my. Yeah. I love this little guy. This one, I wish I could find something that says, oh well, look on the bright side, would be a good thing. Need more of that tape. I should actually just put it directly on the thing and then cut it. go. These will make really fun card toppers, I believe. They're really colorful. I think it would be a great set. I like that one. Attitude is everything. Oh, no, actually I prefer this one. Replace fear of the unknown with curiosity. Here we go. And finally, my little purplish one. And this one too is made with iridescent inks. So very sparkly. Maybe that one I can put attitude is everything. And one tiny little bit more. And here we go. So that's my set of 5 little guys, little cards. Oh, I love how colorful these are. I really hope that you like them too. As I said, I think I'm gonna get them made into cards that could be sold for as toppers, as I've done for my little owls and the other little birds. I think those would be really cool. So let me know what you think. And the original set will be for sale, so in my Etsy store. Love you guys. Bye.